Hello, hello. On the menu today, we are making a potato salad. It is actually a potato salad that is what is left in your refrigerator salad in terms of veggies. So let's see how it turns out. I have left the skin on some of the potatoes just to see how the bite would be for these. I'm going to add a bit of salt and then some paprika. No measurement, guys, just eyeballing. I really like the color that paprika adds when you add it to foods and the kind of smokiness that it gives. Going to give the pan a bit of a shake now, get everything together. And then I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Here I'm chopping the small sweet peppers. I am going to add that to the salad, and I have on the side there some Greek yogurt and some grape tomatoes. Those are to be added to the potato salad as well. Now I remembered that I had a bit of kale left in the fridge. In fact, it was just about a leaf and a half, so I decided to chop it finely and see what it would do in this salad. Notice that the Greek yogurt, which was supposed to be a part of the salad, has shifted underneath the cupboard. Not the cupboard, but the pantry, whatever thing. So I didn't bother to use it because it tasted fantastic without it. Another time I will try to do it with the yogurt and see how it turns out. But this was in fact a yummy salad.